Alright folks, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be looking at the follow-up video for how to fix the microphone audio from Nvidia Shadowplay only coming through your left channel. This time we're going to be showing the little fix in Premiere Pro. I previously released a video showing how to fix it with Sony Vegas, and for anybody out there that's having problems with their gameplay with Shadowplay and maybe using Premiere Pro and they're getting really agitated, it's a really quick fix. So we've now opened up the Adobe Premiere Pro workspace. We're going to want to import the same file we did in the previous video for the Vegas fix, and we're going to want to take a look at our microphone audio. So taking a look at the tracks by themselves, we can see here we have our two audio tracks. The top audio track is the system sounds, and the bottom audio track is effectively the microphone audio going through one channel. Okay, so we're going to mute the microphone track and we're going to listen to the system sound here. Okay, so that's the system sound in game. Then we're going to want to mute the system sounds track, and we're going to play the microphone audio to hear it play through one particular ear. Of Castlevania Lords of Shadow. So last time we were with Gabriel, so we can hear that my voice is only coming through one ear. Now what we want to do is we want to click on the track, we want to right click, and we want to press audio channels. Now in this option here we're going to want to be looking for clip 2 because this is the microphone audio, and we want to change this R2 value over to L2 for the right channel, and this will effectively make our voice come through both channels. So we're going to listen to it back one more time. Castlevania Lords of Shadow. So last time we were with Gabriel, and now we have our voice coming through both ears. Okay, so now that you've applied this little fix, that should apply to all the individual clips on that track, and that'll mean that your microphone audio will be coming through both ears, and hopefully your gaming commentary will come out super sweet. So once you render that out, you'll have no problems at all with your microphone audio coming through both ears. So that's effectively going to be our little fix for Premiere Pro, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you like this content and like to see more than this, please smash the like button down below, like, comment and subscribe. You'd be really helping me out. We're about 10 subscribers to 1,000. I'd really like to push for that milestone somewhat soon. And yeah, happy gaming, enjoy your content, and until next time my friends, goodbye.